Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Greetings. This is Sahib from the Sahib Az-Zamman Airlines channel, and today we are covering the letter Ba. In Persian, letter Ba represents the equivalent letter in English of the letter B. Letter Ba is written in 4 different ways. It's different from Alif because it's not a special letter. That means it can get connected from its right hand side and its left hand side. And Ba has 4 different ways of writing. The official shape, the beginning shape, the middle shape, and the end shape. The beginning shape is written down on 4 steps. The first step shown here is from top to bottom on the right hand side of the paper when you start writing. Then, once the first step is completed from top to bottom, then we go from right to left on the second step. Then, on the third step, once we finish with the second step, we go from bottom to top. Generally, this is the common length of the second step as you see from right to left. There's very rare occurrence that I see usually with little kids writing it this small or writing it this big. You will never see this big or that small in a Persian writing. Also, on the last step of Ba, you see a visible dot. This dot should be visible with the naked eye. For example, if I have a dot, not that one, this one, you probably would not see the dot. And I have to point you towards the direction of the dot to actually see a very small green dot. You will need to make it more visible to be seen with the naked eye. The beginning shape only misses one step from the original shape. We go from top to bottom on the first step, right to left on the second step, and a visible dot on the third step. Now the middle shape Ba looks very similar to the beginning shape Ba. The one difference is you have to connect it on the right hand side because it's connected to another letter in a word. The first step is going from right to left, like the way Persian is writing. Then when you reach this certain point, doesn't matter how long, you go from bottom to top to do the second step as shown in the arrow. To do the third step, we backtrack on what we did on the second step, from top to bottom. Lastly, on the fourth step, as is shown here, we go from right to left again. And an invisible dot has already been mentioned on the fifth step, that is the equivalent. The end shape looks exactly like the middle shape with only one change to make it look like the original shape but connected. First step is the same. You go from right to left on the letter that you're bringing. On second step, again, bottom to top. Third step, backtracking the second step from top to bottom. And then the fourth step is right to left of the original shape. Again, make it a very average, normal shape. Should not be small or big. That looks like a ship. And the fifth step is from bottom to top. Sixth step is again a visible dot. This is a terrible dot over here, so you will probably need a better dot. Let's look at some words with the letter Ba. A very simple word with the 2 letters that we have already learned is Ba, Ba. You have a Ba beginning shape with the Alif connecting shape, and then repeating of the same combination. Ba, Ba. Baba is the formal way to say dad or father. You'll usually hear this on conversation, dialect, or on storybooks, again featuring conversation. Another word to talk about is the word kebab. Kebab, also in Persian known as kebab, is right this way. So you have the K, ka, You have the ba and the alif again, but this is the ba in the middle shape. Ba, b. And this is the b and the n shape, the original shape, without the connection. Kebab, which means kebab in English. I hope you learned something new.